No. Yes. Okay. So welcome all. Welcome all to Financial Fitness Program. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about how to earn using earnings or quarterly financial results date. For those who don't know about earnings and what is earnings and what is quarterly result date, I'll take you through next 2 to 3 slides. I'll take you through them. Why I'm choosing those dates? It's very convenient, right? Earning in stock market should be easy. I should not be running around pillar to post to find my trades and when to look for trades. And someone will say this is happening, someone will say that is happening, and I don't have to run from pillar to post for earning money. So to simplify things, we will be using earnings dates. This is one of the simplified methods to earn the money in the stock market. What is earnings date? Quarterly annual results. Anyone would like to have a guess what is earnings or quarterly or annual results dates or results? Anyone, any guess? My voice is not coming, someone is saying. No, my network is okay. Okay. So the dates company announces results. Yes. Every quarter, all companies, whichever companies which are listed on stock exchange, whatever like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all the companies, Reliance, all the companies who are listed, who are allowed to be traded in the stock market. Not every company share can be traded on the stock market. All the companies whose shares are allowed to be traded on the stock market, they have to follow some compliance, and declaring a quarterly result is one of the compliance. What is quarterly result? In a quarterly result, first of all, let's understand what are the quarters. So financial year in India is April to March. It starts from 1st April to 31st March. That is the financial year in India. Now within financial year, we have 4 quarters. First quarter is from April to June. Then second quarter is July to September. Third quarter is October to December. And then last quarter is January to March. And from April to March, it's a year ending also. Now, as per the requirement of for listing on a stock market, for being traded on a stock market, every company has to tell the shareholders what they have been doing in this quarter. They have to inform their shareholders what was their sales, what was their profit, what was the expenditure, what they did, what they are proposing to do, and all. They have to present all their report to the shareholder. Every quarter they have to do this. Every quarter they have to do this. So how many times a company will have to present its quarterly reports to the shareholders? 4 times, right? 4 times. Excellent. Great. So in a year, 4 times a company will have to present its report to the shareholders. That means what? In a year, we have 4 opportunities to earn money, because that date will be declared well in advance. That date will be declared at least 1 month in advance. That, okay, I'm going to tell you my annual result, quarterly result on so and so dates. It's almost 1 month in advance that company tells you. So you know they will be declaring for 4 times. You know when they are going to declare. Now all what is left is to earn money using that. As simple as that. So every year, 4 times in a year, you will be able to earn money with the same company, even if you don't follow very much technical and all. If you follow this simple technique, you'll be able to earn at least annualized 20% from this technique. Fine. Now, reasoning behind earning strategy. What is the reasoning behind earning strategy? Normally, a common investor, what time he will come to know about the financial results, whether it was good or bad? Like a common investor, when he will come to know whether the company results were good or not so good? After result is declared, correct? From the TV. So maybe CNBC or Z Business and ET Business and all, they will, once the company declares their quarterly results, they will have full discussion. Okay, this happened, this does not happen, it did not happen, and all. They will have all their analysis after results are declared. Now, fund houses, big players, analyze the company very closely. If you see mutual fund houses and all, they have full team looking towards the sector. They will have the company details, what the company is doing, what they are doing here, what is the government policy, all everything they are observing. They are very closely observing about that company, and they track what is working for the company, what is not working for the company, and they have a fairly good estimate of likely earnings, whether it will be uh, good or bad, or good or not so good. And even before the earnings come, they would like to take their, they would accumulate the shares even before the results come, right? So they would, if they are estimating, okay, this is happening, and they are following that company, normally if the results are going to be good, they will start buying the shares even before the company declares its results. Now, since we are dependent on news channel, then who is our closest friend in the stock market? Who is our best friend in the stock market? TV channels will tell in the last. I don't know anyone in mutual fund house. I don't have anyone else who will tell me, okay, the results are going to be good. Absolutely right. The charts are our friends. Charts are our best friend. They will tell us beforehand whether it will be good, bad, or when to earn due to this financial results of this company, what time we should earn money in the this company's share. So charts are our true friend. That's why we are learning the technical analysis, and by learning technical analysis, we'll be able to earn consistently. So we will like to take advantage of the knowledge of the big players. Okay, so we are using earnings date as a strategy. There are 4 quarters and 4 fixed dates that we are clear. We have 4 reference dates, so we can keep looking at it, and we know when to take a profitable trade. We don't have to search throughout the days. Once the earnings season starts, as I had put in the group, one after another. It's not that on a single day all the companies will declare the result. They will declare one after the another. So you can take advantage of one company, earn from it, put the money in the next upcoming quarterly result for next company. Like that itself, also you can rotate and keep on earning money. So, and all companies don't declare their earning strategy. So they will have a continuous one after the another. So you can earn money in one company share, take it out, book profit, go to next company, next company, next company, like that. Even full 2.5 months of this result calendar, you can keep on earning by using this simple strategy, what I am going to discuss today. Okay, how many of you are ready? How many of you are ready to learn the strategy? Can I have yes from all of you who are ready to learn and who are ready to earn from this very simple yet very, very powerful strategy? Yes? Okay, so let's dive in the strategy. You must have seen my strategy on the YouTube. This is a little different than this, okay? Okay, now what I want you to do is, see, these are the earning strategies. Not earning strategy, this is the earnings chart. On TradingView, once you log in, you have, okay. So once you log in to your TradingView, you will be able to see this earnings symbol. Can you see here? There is a symbol where my mouse is moving. There is a E symbol at the bottom of this chart. Yes. Okay. So this is the date. Like for TCS, I opened the chart for TCS. Now for TCS, 8th October, they are going to declare their financial results. Now we have to. The strategy is very simple. First of all, okay, step number one. Step number one, you can write down. Okay, I'll go slowly. You can write down. Step number one. Whenever it's the earning strategy, you count 1 month from that day to previous day. So if it is, why I have taken this? If it is on 8th October, you draw a line on 8th September. 8th September, okay, 8th September, we will draw a line. Now, why I'm drawing this line is, we will actually start looking for a trade 1 month before. So we don't have to run around. Only if you want to trade in TCS, if you want to earn money, we'll wait for the setup only 1 month before. So 1 month before that earnings date, we have to be patient and we have to be ready to trade. So how many days before we will see? It's a calendar month. Okay, since it is 8th October, we'll look from 8th September. Don't take it 30 days, calendar, 1 month, 8th October, 8th September. So when we will start looking for the trades? 1 calendar month. Done? Everyone okay? Can I have okay from everyone if they are okay? Yes? Okay. Now, see, what I have done is I have marked here, let's say 8th July, so June, right? 8th June, 8th June here, I have marked the calendar and like this. Okay. Second thing, what you have to do is, yes, we always see in daily time frame in this trading. So now second, you have to do what you have to do is, you have to bring in the DMI, a directional movement index. You will get this directional movement index. You have to bring that directional movement index on this chart. You have to put this indicator on your trading view. Okay. Then you have to go to the settings, hide this, go into style, hide this ADX, keep only plus DI, minus DI. For your convenience, normally I keep plus DI as green color. I can change the color from here and minus DI red. If it is not green and red, make it green and red and save as defaults. So next time whenever you will open, you will get this red and green, so you are not confused. So whatever I am showing right now, you will be remembering that. Everyone okay? Everyone got the DMI in their trading view? If not, I'll upload this video in shortly. You can go through it peacefully and have a look at it if you are getting confused later on. Now, what you have to do is, within 1 month, you have to wait for the green DMI to cross, positive DMI to cross above negative. Can we see from here this positive has crossed above the negative? If I'm zooming in, how many of you can observe this green has gone above the red here? Yes? So now anyway, since we are going through this example, anyway, it has gone up, the green has gone above the red. What we will do is, the high is 3840. So I will take a horizontal line here. So the high is 3840. Okay, 3840. Okay, and we will trade this from here for 5%. Okay, and we will book our profit at 5% from this. So this will be our entry, and this will be our exit. And if we go back, if we can see a minor support here, this is our stop loss. Okay, this is our stop loss. So for stop, I will say red. If it closes below this, we will exit. From here, we will take a 5% profit. So I'll repeat the steps, then I will show in other places also. Within 1 month, okay, the objective is we don't have to run around. So within 1 month, whenever the green crosses the red, that is our trigger point. It may happen here 1 month before or somewhere in between. Now it is happening here. In the case of TCS, it is happening here. The green is crossing above the red. Can I have yes from all of you if you are clear? So far, so good? Yes? Okay. Once green is crossing above the red, we buy whatever the candle because of which the green is crossing. See, this at this candle, the green is crossing above the red. We buy above the high of this candle and we book profit in 5%. Most likely by earning, you will get. So just buy above this and keep a sell order at 5%. You'll be able to gain 5% from here. Okay. No need to take 0.1. You can take 0.1% and trade also. Yes, keep little buffer. Like I had said earlier, we can keep buffer. Now let's see here. If you see in the prior cases, I will just delete these lines. Okay. Wait. Now here, if we go from here 8th July to 8th June, within this is the earnings date, July to June, was there any green crossover above the red? Hello? Was there any green crossover above the red? So we cannot take the trade because of the ADX. Okay, we go here. If we take here, this is the earnings date, April. If we go to 13th April to 12th March, 13th March, if we see, right, why I'm taking is one candle here and there, it is okay. Can you see here, this green crossing above the red 1 month before here? In this case, 1 month before there is a green crossing above the red. Yes? Yes, no, hello, am I audible? See, here in this case, 13th April, 12th March, is the green crossing above the red? Yes, great. So now you take a trade above this point, this green crossing above the red at this candle. Whenever you take a trade from here and take a trade of 5% and exit. Okay, so here you're able to make a 5% gain, whatever, and you're exiting. So you have a trade from here to here. Once you have 1 month before you have the green crossover, you are able to, you will be able to take a trade, and from that point onwards, whatever is the minor support here, take this as a stop loss. If it closes below this, exit. Entry is here, exit is here. If it closes below, you exit. So you have to, this is little, you have to see the small, a small 4 to 5 candle support. This is turning around, this is the support. If it closes below that, you exit. Now, if you go behind, if you see here, if you see, this is the earning 9th Jan 2021. 1 month before 7th Jan, there is a crossover. Yes, no? There is a crossover. Take above that, take 5%. Okay, and enjoy the money. Okay, again stop loss, go behind anything here, the small 3 to 4 candles, low of that is the stop loss. Again, if we go here, we don't have any green crossover. Then why I have marked this, I'll come to that to you shortly. This is also no crossover. This is okay. This is a crossover. Earnings 1 day, 1 month before crossover. We buy here 5% on. Okay. So how many of you think it is easy and repeatable month after month? How many of you think it is repeatable and you know when to look for this trade? So it is solving two problems. One, problem number one, where to look for trade. How do people find where this trade is happening, right? The second number is when to look at it. Third number is, right, you can pick the trade. And fourth is, see, you have TCS, then you have Infosys, then you have Mahindra and Mahindra. Something will happen. The same money after booking profit, you can go to the next company, next company, next company, and same 5% you can keep rotating. Correct? Month after month, it can happen. Every different companies will declare, right? If you see the result calendar, if I go to money control, if you want to know the result calendar, you go to earnings, markets, you go to earnings, and then you go to view all, result calendar, view all. Then if you sort it by date, can you see here TCS is there, correct? Then after TCS is on 8th October. Infosys on 13th October. So it is coming after. HCL Technologies 14th. ICICI, HDFC Bank 16th. So it's not that every same day all companies will declare their results. So you have 16-10. Once you earn from TCS, you move to HDFC Bank, then you move to ICICI Bank, then you have moved to Mphasis, then you can move to Bajaj Finance. So same, if you are able to book in 5%, take your money, look for the setup based on the earning in the next company, same month you can rotate that same, or within 2 to 3 months, same money you can rotate multiple times. How many of you are getting this point, that same 5% earning 5%, you will be able to rotate multiple times? Yes, no? Okay, great. So any questions regarding ADX? If not, then I will go and tell you how I have taken this 5% and what basis I am taking this 5%, so that this 5% is not lost. Okay. Okay. So I just, if you have any question on this, type your name. I'll come to you. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. If you have some pressing, okay. I'll allow you to unmute. Okay. Yes, Sachin, go ahead. Sachin and Lakshmi, and one more who would like to go.
Yeah.
Pankaj is asking how many days to hold. You can hold it for as long as you get 5%, you exit. Finish.
No, so
and
Samir,
Mahendra. Okay, Mahendra, Lakshmi, and Sachin. So I'll go to Sachin, I'll go to Lakshmi, I'll go to Mahendra, Malviya for question, and then we'll move ahead. I have to show you one more technique for the same 1 month. Yes, Sachin, go ahead.
So Samir, my question. Hi, Samir. My question is same. Like for 5%, if we see like the difference between TCS and Infosys results is about 2 days or 3 days. So if we take the delivery, generally 1 to 2 days take it in delivery. So generally, how many candles you have to wait for that 5%? That logic.
Normally, it will be happening in 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days. Okay, ideally. Okay.
And anyway, they are going to change this rule to T+1 now.
Correct. But it is
soon,
not.
I think by 21st October, they are going to change the rule to T+1.
Correct. Okay. So as of now, it is 2 to 3 days only. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
So it is there. Okay. Thank you, Sachin. Yeah, Lakshmi, go ahead. Lakshmi Vijay.
Hello. Good evening, sir. My
Good evening.
question is, I'm audible?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, very much. You are very much audible.
Okay. My question is, suppose like you said, like if it crosses above that, you
Mm-hmm.
going to buy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Suppose like the third day, the first day we bought, and second day it will show red candle, and it is the price is falling down. So you mean we
Haha.
have to
See here.
exit as per the rule?
So what we have to do is, I got your question. So if we see entry here, we are entering here for 5%. When to exit, right? That is the question. If you look
Hmm.
back, this has turned up here at this point. At this point, this chart has turned up. Correct? Agreed?
Yes.
So this is a very short-term support. What you do is you put a horizontal line here. Any day it closes below this, closes. So you have to check around 315, 330 or so. At that time, if it is below this, exit. Otherwise, you stay in the trade. Whatever happens, 5% you gain and then come out.
Doesn't matter with the candle also, if it is
Candle
red
doesn't
or
matter because sometimes it will dance up and down. No, so as long as it is above the short-term support, it is good to go.
okay. Okay. And one
Okay.
more thing, sir. You said like this 1 month is we have to check, right? So when you go back,
Uh-huh.
there also it crossed and it gave lot of profit,
We
maybe
should not
yeah,
get greedy. Whatever we are getting consistent. So I'll repeat for your question because sometimes the voice from participant will not come in the recording. Like you are saying that there were more profit here. Why we are limiting ourselves to
not here,
5%?
sir. Exactly. Not here. Exactly the September month. The behind of you put the line, right?
This
Yeah.
one.
September
Correct.
behind September
So,
in dividend.
correct, correct.
So
No, see,
it is
it is like this. It is like this. Okay, I got your question that why I'm happy with this 5% and why I miss this entire up move. Agreed?
yes.
Correct. Why I'm not focusing on this entire up move and why I'm so excited about this 5%. Correct. That is the
Yes.
question, right?
Yes.
See, uh, it's not that we will not be able to capture this movement. If you are following my YouTube or if you are following my webinars, I'm teaching almost 10 to 15 different strategies how to
Yes.
earn money. This is one of the strategies. There are 15 to 20 strategies which I am teaching. This is one of the strategies. This will fall under. You are a part of my Telegram channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am.
Have you seen triangle,
Yeah.
consolidation, all that I am putting there? So
Right.
those are
Right.
one
Right. Right.
strategy. This is one strategy. So we are not missing this. This I am teaching a earning strategy which will start 1 month before. Which if you are
Okay.
okay, you are not very comfortable with triangle consolidation. You are not having time to search for that. At least you have time to search before 1 month, and you can be able to earn. So different people, different solutions, and like that. For that, I'm giving this solution, which is very powerful. 5% consistent you can earn for one share, and if you have multiple shares to follow, you can keep same money. You can rotate, make 20% in 2 to 3 months. Every three
Okay.
months you make 20%. How good is that?
Yeah.
So you know
Thank you.
where to
Thank you
look for,
so much.
right? So that is the
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
objective. It's not that we are missing this. This strategy is only for people who want to be very specific where to look at it. They don't want to look at too many stocks. They want to look at only 5 to 10 stocks. So they will have an objective when to look at those stocks. They don't want to
Okay.
run around multiple number of stocks, waste that, not waste. Uh, they would like to focus on if 8 to 10 stocks. They would like to go for this strategy. This is a wonderful and very powerful strategy for them.
Thank you. Thank you
Fine.
so much, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Yeah, Mahendra. Mahendra, you have raised your hand. Go ahead. Okay. So I think Mahendra has lowered his hand. Okay. Okay, so I'll take one. Alok Kulkarni is saying how to keep our profitability account calculation when we repeatedly buying and selling various stocks. The income is accumulating by using earning strategy. They will give the broker will give the statement at the end of the year that okay, this much how much you have earned. You simply pay 15% tax on that. That's it. That is as simple as that. Or you maintain an Excel sheet. उतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा. We go to our office, right? If you are doing business or anything, we have to maintain our profit and loss. We'll have to maintain Excel sheet. There is no
account.
skip to that.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
For
Okay, thank
example,
you. So we will
sir,
move ahead.
I sold PVR.
Okay. Okay, so we'll go
Hello.
ahead. So once 5% is achieved, why to wait for earnings day? We can as well sell it before. This gives you convenient of finding the stock. You have only 10 stock. If you follow only 10 stock, in round the year, you will have 4 opportunity in every stock. If you are following only 10 stocks, you will at least have 4 opportunity per stocks. You are following 10 stocks, you will have 40 opportunity in a year. Let's say out of 40, even if you are able to ride the wave for 30 opportunities, you have good amount of money for yourself. So you don't have to run anywhere here and there. Only 1 month, start 1 month before the earning date and you are there. Yes, green has to pass above the red line. Okay, so let me move forward. So I have one more strategy within this so that you will be able to make it a maximum out of it. Okay, so I'm muting you all. Don't unmute, please. Okay, let's go ahead. So how many of you are excited so far? Can I have yes from all of you if you are excited so far, so that I am motivated to show one more possibility? Yes? Okay. Now, what you do is, here, now you must have seen, I have shown something here, and okay, this is okay, and there was no green crossover. Still, I said there was a possibility of earning 5% here, and how did I come to that? So whenever there is no green, you can add one more indicator, which is MACD. MACD, you bring in the MACD indicator, and what you do is, how many of you attended the support and resistance webinar using MACD? Yes, if you are not attended, I think I have uploaded it on the YouTube support resistance. Go and have a look so that you will be able to connect whatever I'm going to say right now. Okay, now here, if you don't have a crossover, right, but you can go and look at the MACD where it has crossed down. Before 1 month, whenever the MACD had crossed down, if you see, I don't know, it's not visibly very clear, but here the MACD went up above the signal and went down. These 2 lines, can you see this has gone down? Yes. Now, wherever it has gone down, take that top and draw that line here. If you draw this line, whenever it crosses above this line, you buy and earn 5%. So you can either use ADX or you can use MACD. Here also, the crossover is also there. This MACD here did not go down here. So we either crossover or MACD you can use. Let me take one more example to clarify it further. Here, okay, here, if I zoom in, this is the earnings date and this is 1 month from the earnings date. There is no green crossover. So how do I trade? How do I earn using this earning strategy? So what you have to do is go back, start looking. Luckily here the MACD crossed below the signal at this point. If you go back, if you take your mouse up, go back, whichever is the highest point, draw a line there. Okay. Whenever price crosses above that, buy here and you can have your 5% in this from here to here. Easy? Yes, no? Not clear? Okay. So maybe you can, one more time I'll show. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back and MACD earnings data, right? So we have, here we have crossover, here we have this. Okay, now this is the earnings date. Done? All those people for whom it was not clear, pay attention. Okay, this is the earnings date. Now, if we see 11th of July and 11th of June, okay. Now between this two lines, has any green crossover above the red has happened? No. So here that crossover is not working, but does that mean that we'll not be able to earn money? No, not like that. Now, what is this? If I go MACD little behind, can you see this MACD crossing down here below the signal? Yes. Now we have learned in our support and resistance webinar that whenever MACD crosses down, if we take that peak here, that is our support level. This is our support level. You can go back and view that support resistance webinar, and then you can do it. Okay, so we can take the peak, and within 1 month, whenever that peak is crossed, like here it is crossed, you can take here from this point and take for 5% profit. Here maybe on earning day only it happened, so you'll have to wait for 1 month in this duration. So you have 5% in this. Everyone clear? So we have to take trade within 1 month only. We have to don't go here and there. Only earnings date we know. When is the earnings date? Start 1 month, looking 1 month before, and you can have 5%. Here is the result calendar. You have so many companies. You have to select only 10 good companies or maximum 12, 15 good companies, and every quarter over quarter. See, you can keep on doing this. And once it is done, then you can keep on earning year after year. You have to select only 12 good companies, blue chip companies. If you select all 4 quarters, you have to only earn. Stop loss is again the support. If after entry, if it goes and closes below the support, you have to exit. Fine, easy. If it was very easy, very simple, and if you will be able to earn consistently, can I have yes? Can someone type for Selva that mic is working? If you are able to hear, mic is working. Others are typing yes, no. Okay, so if you have any questions, I will pause for the questions and then. Okay, so I'll allow you to unmute. Just type in your name.
Hey, Samir, finally
Yeah.
it works. Okay. Yeah. So for this MACD, how far behind we can go? Any limitations, or it should be in the vicinity of that 1 month?
See, 1 month I have marked, right? And I am taking my support, this crossover here. Sometimes it will happen that crossover happened way high. Like in this case, here, if you see, the crossover happened way high. I cannot take the, like if I take this, it did not cross. So there is no trade for me.
Okay. No.
So here,
how far behind? How
Ah.
many days I have to go back? Like we have, see, can I go
हाँ मतलब ये you will
hypothetically maybe
have a
50 days?
crossover here, no?
Hmm.
You'll have a crossover. See,
Whatever
normally
the
it will
first
happen.
crossover that,
Why? Ha, you take that. You take that. Whatever is
okay,
the recent crossover, you take that.
okay, yeah,
Yeah, you can start looking behind from here. 1 month before, if you have crossover here, after here crossover, you take that crossover either way.
okay. And one more thing is, what is this law? There is a consistent pattern that you've shown for TCS, and hopefully
Uh-huh.
it will be for some other companies as well. What is that logic
Uh-huh.
of that one? What is happening there?
I
If it
explained in
has
the
to be
beginning, na, why you come to know when it is on TV, correct?
Oh, is it the mutual funds or the
But
big
someone knows
institutional
before
trading?
you that it is going to go, it is going to be a good quarter, correct?
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I understand that now the big players would start now start working on it.
Ah,
But why that
uh-huh.
1 month? Why not 1.5 months? Why not 2 months? 1 month is something like, is there something like uh, uh, they'll have something by one month before the results or something like that, or
No. See,
why the first
it's not
just
about
before that?
1 month or now. Normally, mutual fund will buy for longer duration. See, like I explained in the beginning, the trading plan is a simplified plan. If you don't want to run around much, so that's what I said. If you are not, if you don't want to run around much, okay, I want a peaceful earning, I want a consistent earning. If that is your desire, that okay, I'm okay with some 10-20% in 2-3 months from my money, rather than running around in stock, finding the setup, this, that. If you are, so this is very simple for you, right? So you just go find 1 month before and done. That's
Okay.
why 1 month before. Yeah. So this is for, see, I have a solution for every type of people. So this is a solution for people who have 15 stocks, starts looking 1 month before and keep earning. No tension trading. No, Kuldeep, I think you joined just now. That's why you're asking this question. When we need to buy 2 days before of the result? No, I explained the crossover, MACD, everything I explained. I'll upload this on YouTube. You can have a look at it. Okay, fine. Yeah, Rajesh, please go ahead.
So why we are taking the reference of earnings date, and what if the earnings is, say for the results is not positive? Say for example, the company's earnings is not good and it is
It will
going
not
to go
go
down.
up. If it is not, so I will answer your question in 2 parts. One is why we are taking a reference of earnings date. Now, have you, when you are doing your technical analysis, have you faced problem of finding good setups or having a short returns to find setups, or to find triangles, or accumulation distribution, or channels, or some results by which are you able to earn consistently, or you are able to find patterns consistently on charts
No, definitely not.
to earn money?
No,
Huh?
no.
Correct. If you
Yes.
don't have that pattern and you are learning that and still you want to earn, you will know when is the earnings date. It will come in Mano Control 1 month before.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes. Yes.
So that is the importance of earnings date. So you know when to look for a trade. Right now, many of us don't know when to look for trade, how to look for trade, where to look for trade. Agreed?
Yeah.
You follow something on the someone chat, like I am only posting, you follow that. But if you have to do it on your own right now to start with something, you at least know when is the earnings date.
Yes.
1 month before earnings date, we can simply calculate. Follow the system, 5% we can do. That's why that is the significance of doing that trading on the earnings date, where we know when it is going to happen. What is 1 month before that? We have a setup and we can earn consistently. That is why I have created this simple system for everyone. Even if you don't know about triangles or all those technical things, still you can take advantage of the price action and still earn. So that is the significance of the earnings date. and starting only 1 month before the earnings date. So we don't have to run around also too much. Good. Are you happy with this?
Yeah, I'm clear with this, your answer for the first question. The second part.
But you are not happy with the simplicity of the trading plan?
No. What if is it irrespective of whether the earnings are going to go up or down, it will always give an yield 5%, whatever you're targeting, or it depends upon the earnings?
It is no guarantee. If you are in stock market, there is no guarantee. There are some patterns which happen and which you have to test it out. There is nothing guarantee out there in stock market. I have shown you all these examples happening at earnings, right? If you see, there is a lots of consistency which is happening every earnings. Same, you have to go back test and see whether it is happening. Don't take anything guaranteed in the stock market. This is a pattern which happens consistently. If you find that there is a consistent pattern happening in this, you can go ahead and trade and take money out of it.
So high probability, there is a high probability.
In life, everything is high probability. Can you tell me one thing except death, what is guaranteed?
Yeah, agree. Correct.
Right, everything is high probability only. So stock market is also high probability. We are playing only the high probability game.
Okay, clear, Samit. Thanks.
Fine? Okay, thank you. But you are not
One
still
question.
excited that this is a simple system.